Mother Nature, she's stronger than us. She beat us up.
Just as Christmas in Color was getting ready to open, they got hit hard by huge wind gusts.
Like it bent that pole.
Yes, it bent the pole, knocked over a tunnel that we had to demolish, but we're going to put something else up instead so it'll look nice.
It was bad.
Jim Mays, the on-site manager,
And our winds are starting up again. Here we go.
gave us a tour of the damage.
It looked like a tornado.
The setup began a month and a half ago.
When you see it just topple over, it's like, get out of the way. Get out of the way.
Fortunately, most of the 1.5 million lights survived, even if they are a tangled mess.
The winds that crossed everything, and then we have to just go one by one, take them apart, put them back together, just as we did in the beginning.
Oh, the weather outside is frightful.
This is what you can expect once it's all fixed up. The company that runs this has displays in Arizona and Utah, but this is the first of its kind in Denver.
It was sad. You know, all the work that we had done, and thinking that we were going to have to cancel. And the bosses sat around and talked about it, and they said, nope, let's do it.
So they are now working around the clock to get everything back up and running.
We've got good workers, we've got dedication, and we're going to make this happen.
Determined to prove that Mother Nature is no match for them.
And they did have to turn away hundreds of cars this past weekend, but they say if you had tickets for any of those nights, you are welcome to come back anytime once they are open. Should be in the next week or so. Deborah Takahara, Fox 31.